Have you ever wanted to brew your beer or cider at home? A Homebrew Kit makes it easy to create your favorite drinks right in your kitchen. With the right tools and ingredients, you can enjoy homemade beverages in no time. If you are looking for the best Homebrew Kit available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Craft a Brew Mead Making Kit. The Craft a Brew Mead Making Kit is perfect for anyone interested in brewing their honey wine at home. This kit is designed for both beginners and hobbyists, providing everything needed to create your very own mead. With the Craft a Brew Guide, you can easily learn the brewing process and enjoy the experience of crafting your drink. Mead, often referred to as the nectar of the gods, is an ancient beverage made from a simple combination of honey, water, and yeast, predating both wine and beer. Each kit includes essential brewing tools such as a 1-gallon glass carboy, airlock, rubber stopper, racking cane, transfer tubing, funnel, yeast nutrients, sanitizer, and a helpful mead-making guide. The only ingredient you'll need to provide is the honey, which will give you the freedom to select the variety you prefer for your brew. The Craft a Brew Mead Making Kit is proudly assembled by hand in Orlando, Florida, ensuring high-quality ingredients and sustainable practices. Whether you're looking to enjoy mead as the Vikings did or simply explore the art of home brewing, this kit offers a fun and rewarding experience. However, there are a few cons to consider. First, the brewing process requires patience, as mead takes about 4 weeks to fully ferment. Additionally, the need to provide your honey could be a minor inconvenience for some users. The 4th product on this list is the Homebrew Ohio Mead Making Kit. The Homebrew Ohio Mead Making Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to try their hand at brewing mead at home. This 1-gallon kit provides all the necessary equipment and supplies to make mead, a delicious honey-based alcoholic drink. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in brewing, this kit offers everything you need to start your mead-making journey. Included in the kit are clear and easy-to-follow instructions, equipment, a recipe, and the essential chemicals required for the brewing process. These make it simple to produce high-quality mead in the comfort of your own home. However, it's important to note that the kit does not come with honey, which is a key ingredient in mead making. You'll need to purchase your honey, giving you the flexibility to choose the type that suits your taste preferences. One unique aspect of this kit is its focus on simplicity, making it ideal for those new to home brewing. The instructions guide you step by step, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. While the kit provides all the necessary tools, it does require some patience as fermentation can take several weeks. However, there are a few cons to consider. The kit only makes 1 gallon of mead, which may not be enough for larger batches. Additionally, the lack of included honey means you'll need to factor in its cost and availability. Still haven't found the best homebrew kit for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Mr. Beer Craft Beer Making Kit. The Mr. Beer Craft Beer Making Kit is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to create their beer at home. This kit includes everything you need, from fermentation equipment to ingredients, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned beer enthusiasts. With the included hopped malt extract, you can brew a fresh batch of beer in just 30 minutes, allowing you to get started on your brewing journey quickly and easily. One of the highlights of the Mr. Beer Kit is its simplicity. You don't need any special brewing tools or large equipment. Everything you need fits in the compact kit. All that's required is the Mr. Beer Kit, water, and a few common kitchen items, making it incredibly easy to use even for someone new to home brewing. The kit also comes with a bonus refill, allowing you to brew your second batch without delay. This means you can make up to 4 gallons of craft beer, with flavors like Canadian Blonde and Oktoberfest later to choose from. These versatile options allow you to experiment and create your unique beer recipes. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The fermentation process takes 3 to 4 weeks, which may require patience for those eager to enjoy their homemade beer sooner. Additionally, while the kit is beginner-friendly, advanced brewers may find the ingredients and options a bit limiting. The second product on this list is the BrewDemon Premium Beer Making Kit. The BrewDemon Premium Beer Making Kit is the ideal choice for beer enthusiasts looking to create consistent, high-quality beer from the comfort of their own homes. This kit stands out with its unique 2-gallon recipes that produce exceptional results in just minutes. Unlike other kits that require messy jugs or buckets, the BrewDemon kit uses a patented Pro-style conical fermenter, which simplifies the brewing process and ensures a smooth, efficient experience. The easy-to-follow recipes yield great beer with minimal effort, so you can enjoy a perfect brew every time. One of the highlights of the BrewDemon kit is its carefully crafted New Zealand recipe. The American Prophecy Ale, included in the package, is a balanced and refreshing beer with a distinctive taste, made using ingredients from New Zealand's famous Speight's Brewery. This unique recipe allows you to create a beer that rivals those from professional breweries right in your kitchen. The BrewDemon kit is designed to save you time. The brewing process can be completed in as little as 15 minutes, leaving you more time to experiment with personal touches, such as adding fruits or spices to create a signature flavor. The kit also includes 1-quart bottles and a bottle-filling valve, making bottling easy and mess-free. Simply turn the valve to fill the bottles, eliminating the need for siphoning. However, the kit is only available in a 2-gallon size, which may be smaller than some people prefer for large batches. Additionally, while the recipe is crafted in New Zealand, not all users may enjoy the taste of the included American Prophecy Ale recipe. Before we reveal the best homebrew kit on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best homebrew kit is the Northern Brewer Craft Beer Starter Kit. The Northern Brewer Craft Beer Starter Kit is the perfect choice for anyone looking to dive into homebrewing. With the limited edition Summer Squeeze Shandy, this kit provides everything you need to brew a delicious craft beer at home. The kit includes a siphonless glass, Little Big Mouth bubbler fermenter, making the brewing process much simpler and reducing the number of tools you'll need. This makes it an ideal option for beginners who want an easy, streamlined experience. Along with the fermenter, you'll get step-by-step instructions to guide you through the brewing process. The kit also includes a bottle capper with caps, personalizable beer bottle labels, and the Kama Citra IPA recipe kit, which ensures you create a flavorful beer you'll be proud to share. The only extra items you'll need are around 12 pry-off cap beer bottles and a 2-gallon kettle for brewing. While this kit simplifies the brewing process, there are a few cons to consider. The 1-gallon size may be too small for those wanting to brew larger batches. Additionally, the siphonless fermenter might not offer as much control over the fermentation process as traditional siphoning methods. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.